right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the filters. This has been What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to start taking this car apart, the whole front end, all the engine pieces that I'm about to show you. We're going to start adding power to this car because one of the previous videos that you guys might have saw already, we made 195 to the wheels, so we're trying to get that horsepower up and make this car funner than ever. I'm gonna walk you through all the steps and all the upgrades that I'm going to do. I'm gonna break it down between a lot of episodes because I don't want to make this one long episode, so you might see me with the same shirt. Check this out. This is one of our newest drop. We have a bunch of sizes, different colors, but the design is awesome. The material is great, very refreshing. Right now we're in the hot summer, and I have no problems wearing this. Very comfortable, and it's a nice fit. So guys, make sure you stop by the store and check those out. So without too much talk, let's get this car apart and start upgrading it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take the bumper off, disassemble the entire front end. I'm actually upgrading the crash bar to the Type R version because it's a lot lighter. So I'll show you guys that in this video. We're also taking apart the intake manifold. What else we're gonna do? The throttle body and also the intake. We're going to be upgrading all those pieces, which I'm very excited because this car definitely needs over 200 horsepower. It kind of feels a little sluggish right now, me coming from the STI to this. It feels a little bit low in power, so I'm trying to get that horsepower up and make it more fun and more thrilling on the track. So right now I'm going to remove the front bumper. You guys seen that in a bunch of videos, so I'm not gonna like show you step by step. It's just a bunch of clips in the bottom, a few on the top, and 2 screws in either end. Very easy to do. Let me get that done real quick. Alright guys, so now that we have the bumper off, we can get rid of these leaves, man. This is crazy. This always happens. You have some more on this side, but not a big deal. Perfect time to clean those out. I do have the engine cooler intake system, which I will be removing and installing something better. I'm gonna replace, or at least take this off, the crash bar from the USDM version and install a lightweight one. We do have a bunch of work on our hands, so let's get to it. Alright, so these are the differences between the USDM RSX crash bar and the JDM DC5 Type R crash bar. It is made out of aluminum and it's extremely light. Seems like the profile is a lot shorter than the US version, but this one's made out of steel. It's a lot heavier. I don't know exactly the pounds difference. I don't have a scale right now, but if I find it online, I'll post it on the screen. but we should be saving a couple pounds on the front end of the car. You can do a similar thing for the rear bumper as well, which I will be doing in the future, but right now I only have this one. It bolts on exactly how the stock one does. See, same pattern and everything. So yeah, we're gonna install this part right here. So let's see how it bolts up. So this piece bolts up really nice. It has 2 bolts on this side and 1 in the bottom. And then you have 2 on this side and 1 in the bottom as well. So perfect fitment, much slimmer. Gives me more room in this side to work with things. And in this side as well. So you can see it's very nice and compact. Job done. Let's keep going.